waiting to go eat at Sushi Camp. We didn't go to Sushi Queen. Today is Sushi Camp, and we will make a review. Let you guys know if it's 5 stars. This is a grand opening too, you know? Grand opening, man. We're gonna take a look inside. You know, this is in Woodbridge. Brought the family over to eat. It's style buffet, but you don't get up yourself. You just order from the menu. Hello. It's a grand opening?
It's a grand opening. Just open. New place.
Nice. That's okay.
What else?
3 miso soups, a house green salad, spring rolls.
You want to do the crab rangoons too, and the dumplings? Newer.
Well, look at the umbrellas on the windows. And people are serious.
I like it.
So delicious.
Hibachi. They got hibachi coming out of there, sushi coming out of there, and all you can eat, baby. Damn.
Do you think who else is a my nails?
I find that to be so cheap for 4 people at a buffet.
So we tried this new place and we really liked it. The food was amazing. The service was really good. The whole vibe was really, really nice.
I think that's 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. The service was amazing as well.